guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken parmesan. It's one of my favorite Italian dishes. It's so good. I paired the chicken parm with spaghetti because that's what it goes with. Also in this video, I'm going to be doing a mukbang. If you don't know what a mukbang is, it's just me eating the food I've made, and I take really huge bites, so I'm just warning you. Please make sure you have your notification bell turned on. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start with some chicken breast. I thinly sliced these and I pounded them. I'm going to show you how I did that real quick. You're going to grab 2 medium-sized chicken breasts, then slice each one into 2 equal slices. You'll end up with 4 equal slices. Next, you're going to grab a meat pounder and pound your chicken slightly. Pounding the chicken will make them extra tender and they'll cook more evenly. Next, we're going to season the chicken with some spices. So in this bowl, I have some salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Go ahead and mix those together. Then you're going to season your chicken with half of the spices, then keep the other half for later. Make sure you season both sides of the chicken. You want to get really good flavor onto the chicken. The next thing we're going to do is to coat the chicken in some breadcrumbs. I'm using seasoned panko breadcrumbs. We're also going to coat the chicken in some eggs and some flour. I'm going to season the eggs and the flour with the remaining half of my spices, and you don't have to season the breadcrumbs because they come pre-seasoned. Go ahead and grab 1 slice of your chicken and coat that very well in the eggs. Make sure you coat both sides. Then you're going to transfer that into the flour and coat both sides as well. Next, you're going to transfer the chicken back into the eggs and coat both sides again, just like that. Then you're going to place the chicken into the breadcrumbs and coat both sides in that. Once your chicken is very well coated, you're going to do the same for all the other slices. Next, go ahead and heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the pan gets really hot, go ahead and transfer your coated chicken right into the pan. We're going to sear the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and try not to overcrowd your pan, otherwise the chicken will not sear properly. You want the chicken to have a very beautiful golden brown color, just like this. Take the chicken out of the pan, then you're going to sear the remaining 2 of your chicken, then set everything aside for later. So you want to make sure you have your tomato sauce ready right when your chicken is done. So I'm going to very quickly show you how I made this. Start by heating up some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil gets very hot, go ahead and add some minced onions. Cook the onions until they turn translucent, then add some minced garlic and cook that for about a minute until it gets fragrant. Next, I'm going to add my favorite pasta sauce. I'm just using plain pasta sauce. I like a lot of sauce in my spaghetti, so I'm using extra large pasta sauce. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. I'm adding some fresh parsley and basil. Then to cut down the acidity of the tomatoes, I'm adding some brown sugar. This will give the sauce a really nice taste. Season with salt and pepper and mix everything together. Then when this comes to a simmer, you're going to cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. And while that is cooking, make sure you grab some spaghetti and cook that according to package instruction. You can get your man to do that for you. So when your sauce has finished cooking, you're going to scoop some and spread that on the bottom of a baking pan, just like that. Then you're going to transfer the chicken into the baking pan. Next, go ahead and spread a little bit of the sauce all over the chicken. Don't forget to leave a good amount of the sauce behind for the spaghetti. Then you're going to place some mozzarella cheese slices onto each chicken. Sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese all over the chicken. Then you're going to bake this at 425 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken has reached internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. While the chicken is baking, go ahead and transfer your cooked spaghetti into the sauce and toss everything together, and you can serve this with your chicken when it's ready. And here's the chicken parm fresh out of the oven. It smells so good. The cheese is all melted and bubbly. You guys, look at all that cheese. So good. I can't. Get your spaghetti ready and place your chicken on top of that. And I am ready to devour this yumminess because I've been waiting all day. I'm so hungry. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, this is insanely so good. The chicken is so tender, flavorful. I can't even find the words to explain it. It's amazing. It's so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you soon. Bye.